Hello, my name is Jasmine Zanders. I have a background in graphic design and a strong interest in information technology. My interest in web design started when I was in college. I was pursuing my degree in graphic communications when I took a class on computer graphics and fell in love with that path. Sadly, my major didn't include web design and programming. I want to pursue the information technology route with very little experience. I don't want to go back to retail and working for minimum wage. I did some research and found the Savvy Coders Full Stack Web Development Bootcamp for my Capstone project. I am building an application that allows future college attendees and college goers to go on my webpage, pick their college, and give it a rating based on education, environment, and activities. Here is my capstone project. So it brings you to my homepage where you'll be able to rate your college based on the three categories that I had mentioned: the environment, the athletics program, which is still, the activities, and the education. And when you click on Rate My College, it takes you to the college rating page. And here you can rate the college based on the local colleges in St. Louis area. So we have Florissant Valley, Washington University, UMSL, Webster University, and Harris-Stowe. And then here you can choose the college that you want to rate. So I'm going to choose Florissant Valley, give it some ratings. And down here, it will pull the numbers right there. And then if I rate it again, but a different rating on each category, it will go up and down depending on that. So it went down by 3.33333. And you can also just rate the other colleges too. Okay. And you can also click on the logos and it will take you directly to the pages, their college web pages. And here's my about page where it tells you basically what I'm trying to implement here at College Rate. And then it takes you to the contact page and the contact. And it actually works. And I use that using FormSpree. And here I have my logo that I made using the various shapes and typefaces. And I try to implement the principles of design, which is basically just hierarchy, contrast. And from here, we can go to my wireframe. It looks completely different from what I have on my initial page, but this is what I had wanted to do. And I also wanted to make a connect page where the college goers and the college attendees and future college attendees can come over here and just leave a comment and just talks amongst themselves about the colleges or just whatever that they want to talk about. So that can be implemented in the future, hopefully. And here I wanted to also just have like a wider list of colleges, not just in the St. Louis area, which can be implemented at a later date also. And I also wanted to make a map for that so they can look up the colleges that they wanted that they ended up rating or choosing or have an interest in. Okay, and now I'm going to bring you to my code. And here's my JavaScript page where you can see how I had, I guess, implemented the college rating system. And everything is being pulled from an after render function. And here's my CSS. Not a lot, but I've honestly seen a lot more CSS added on others. Okay. Oops, wrong page. All right. And for me, what I am most proud of is the process. Like I'm very proud that I was able to get this far in the program and I was able to, I guess, make a website because it wasn't easy. I didn't think it would be as hard as it was, but I'm proud that I was able to get this far and I'm really enjoying how the page looks, especially the colors. I'm loving the blues that I made. And as an obstacle, I would have to say JavaScript was my biggest obstacle. And in the future, I would love to take more classes on that and just more coding classes in general and just learn different various codes that you can work in. And for Agile, I was a developer and I was in the group and the group that I was in was very helpful. Like I really enjoyed my time with the team too. And Jira, we had yeah, well, I had used tickets for help with the capstone and just a homework or just anything in general that I needed help with. And thank you for letting me show you my presentation.